needs to tone their legs? And who hates leg day? I'll be the first to raise my hand. But you know what? We're gonna make it fun. I have a little R&B music. I think you'll like it. And first of all, we will use, we'll warm up a little bit, but we're gonna use these bands. I don't know if you've seen these before. They are cloth and they stay in place. I'm gonna use the purple ones today. They come in different sizes. I will link them in the description. So let's get started with the warm up first. Shake, side to side. Let's get loose here. Step. Add a little bounce, but still keep your feet flat. And walk. And out and in. Other side. Some of these, sometimes the slower moves are actually a little bit harder. Some squats, push back, squeeze, squeeze the glutes, and up. Push those hips back. Got it? Ooh, warm up those thighs. Shake it out. Good. Very carefully gonna put these on. Very carefully. You might have to sit down to do it. Let's give it a try. See if you can balance, Cheryl. Above your knees. Up here. Out shoulder width apart. Step out. Six, 8, other side, ready. Kind of hold it tight. Squeeze that core. Pull the belly button up and in. 8, other side, ready? You're slightly bent. 8, other side. You'll feel it. 2. 7 and 8, okay? All right, rest a minute. Now we're gonna go heels, corner. Keep it tight if you can. Woo, I feel the burn. I feel it. Now, out and in, if you can. Little bounce. Keep it tight. Slightly bent. Good, keep it up. All right, rest. I'm starting to feel it. You will too. I got these on Amazon. I have some other ones, but I like these the best. All right. Whew. Ready for another song? Okay. Now we're gonna step up and back. Up and back. Wide legs. Up and back. You're gonna start. Wide. Wide step. Switch the other leg. Yeah, you got the armor of God on? Come on. Good. Switch one more side. One more time, I mean. Wide step and front and back. Wide step. That's right. We're not gonna fall. Other side. All right, bounce doubles, scissors. Keep it stretched out. Singles. Pop it. Breathe in. Whew, good. All right. Ready? Wide march. Pick the legs up a little bit though. Bring the knees up a little. All right, knee, one knee. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not that easy, y'all. 2, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Rest. Wide twist. Ready? Keep it wide. Keep your torso to the front. Just move the bottom. You got this. Come on. Almost done. And a little quicker. All right. Good. Now we're going to do a push back. Keep it wide though. Got it? Good. Bounce it out. Wide bounce. Basic bounce. Good. How many songs is that? 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's the last one. All right. Drop the band. Let's just shake it out. A little joyful jump. Shake it out a minute. All right. March. And heels. Mrs. G, are you watching? Ponytail flapping everywhere. All right, speed it up. Let's go. And toes. Ponies. And heels again. Step touch. Let me just see. You know what? Okay, I think that was it, but I think actually I might have 6 songs. Yeah, here's a slowdown. Here's a call. I can't even get it out. I need my water. Cool down. Ready? And stretch. Up, up. And breathe. Wide stance now. And squat. And stretch those thighs out. And the back. Let's do that again. And sway. And overhead. And center. Baby bounce. Feet flat. Push down with the whole foot. Getting the toxins out. Little toning today. Working on the bigger muscles. Walk easy, easy. Ooh. And that's it. Oh, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me on Rebounding with Cheryl. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like and comment below what you would like to learn next, because I need a few of you to tell me what your favorite moves are and what your favorite music is. I've been making music in Suno, absolutely love it. So this one was a little different from all the rest, but I will see you next time. Bye.